So I'm installing a front runner second battery holder. I can't get the on the D4 Land Rover Discovery 4, can't get the grill out as they suggest because of the bull bar. Can't get the light out as they suggest because of the bull bar. The battery tray goes here, so what I've done is I've disconnected all the earth wires and just pulled these up out because they connect to the tray. I'm going to put this bracket in first now then, because I can't do it afterwards. So I'm actually going to construct the tray as I go. Let's see how we go. I've now got the bracket in, and as you can see, the washer bottle is actually sitting on top of the bracket, and we'll construct the tray from there. So it's got a little 8mm screw on there, so I'm tightening down now under the water bottle. Not a whole lot of room to work in here, but a little bit of normal Land Rover. Just got the headlight unclipped there so I can have a bit more room. Now I'm going to put the plate in. You can see I've already unhooked all the harnesses. And that will now fit on top of there and on top of there. If you don't have a bull bar, you can construct this before you actually put it in, but and do the reverse. You can put the screws in on the water bottle, but we don't have that luxury because the bull bar is preventing all the lights, and the as you can see, I can't get the grill out. So I'll tighten this up now. So now with the plate in, we've just left those two bolts a bit loose, and now all I'm doing is fitting the bolts in here behind the battery. You see that's going in quite nicely. Then what I did was I pre-drilled a hole here for that clip, and now I'm going to drill one down here for this wire, which will be the earth wire. When it's not, sorry, that's the earth wires there, and that's another cable, but we'll have them out of the road so that when the battery goes in, they won't touch anywhere. I'm choosing a couple of 13mm bolts. The flat washer goes on the bottom, and the spring washer goes between the washer and the bolt, in case you don't know, so you can't get that wrong. And I'll just tighten one up a bit more by hand. Tighten them up. Okay, so here's the inaccessibility of those couple of screws there. Helps to get the right one out, doesn't it? 10mm. So I've had to get a 10mm spanner and finish off the tightening up of this last bolt here. Very nice and tight. Righto, and then what I did was, this normally screws there, but I cut a couple of extra holes using a drill on a, so, and that one can probably go one larger. The wiring is now hooked into this plate. So what I did was, as I said, I used this drill and then all we've got to do is put them back on. And if you want to, you can put this plate on at a later date, like that, which is for the relay. It's up to you. We're finishing off the last bolt, and there's what I did. So I drilled 1, 2, 3, 4 holes, and what I'll do now is I'll cable tie these over and out the road, and that should give enough room then for the battery. Complete this and tied it up. As I said, I've put little holes in there for the wires to sit in, and I'm just finishing off with a cable tie, which decided to become really tight, making it almost impossible. And I'm just going to sit those up there like that, out the road. And I'll just put this down for a second so I can, all right, there we go, I got it. Okay, so that's pretty good now. That's going to be a bit annoying. We'll see how that goes once we get a battery in. It might be a problem, don't know just yet. So there we are, all in, and then when a battery goes in, we can we've got room to do things, and we're all back together. That's headlights back in, everything. About 40 minutes, but I reckon if you follow my instructions, you'll have it done in 20.